The silent engines of growth. Non-banking financial segment complements robust financial system. Over 21% growth boosted gross written premiums to AED 64.8 billion. Rise of Islamic finance. In 2000s, Dubai positioned itself as a global hub. Rise of Islamic finance ensured Sharia-compliant insurance, takaful, and leasing services. Fintech gains ground. Tech-enabled fintech startups and crowdfunding platforms provide digital edge while gaining ground. Market size and share. Insurance sector alone contributes 3 to 4% of GDP, gross written premiums exceeding AED 23 billion annually. Market value. Market value of fintech lending platforms pegged at $1.5 billion.